Welcome. In front of me is a HONOR Magic4 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using the home screen as an example for this, so obviously for me it's already open. But once you open up your content, what you want to do is press power key and volume down at the same time. Just a simple click of both of them, and it will show up with a screenshot right here. If you don't do anything for a couple of seconds, it disappears. But you did also have the option to, I believe it was share and scroll by sliding down, up or down. Now the more important one would be probably the scrollable option, which is accessible only in a content that you can actually scroll, like settings. So let's do that again. And I'll just, so we have share up, and then, come on, just let me do it. And we have scrollable, which apparently we need to enable for some stupid effing reason. So let's enable it. Should be done by default, but whatever. And it looks like we need to now capture the screenshot one more time. So you can see it starts scrolling down. You can tap on the screen to stop it. And I do recommend probably overshooting your content by some margin, because it does scroll in like intervals, as you've seen. So it's much harder to stop it at place where you want to end the screenshot. But by capturing more than you want, you can then crop it in here. From there, select the save button, and this will save your screenshot into the gallery application. Now, the scrollable screenshot, along with all the other screenshots that I have captured, can be found either in the main Photos tab or neatly organized in albums under Screenshots. And you can see it right here. So this is the scrollable one. Here is the also scrollable one, but non-edited one. And here is the normal one from the home screen. So it looks like the screenshot from the settings that required me to enable scrollable functionality, it didn't get saved whatsoever. So anyway, this is how you would capture your screenshots, and also where you can find them. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.